Let me explain first why this is so effective. Most people are familiar with making money on the platforms like Instagram, YouTube as well, TikTok, of course. And while these methods are popular and effective, hardly anyone talks about the potential of Reddit. But why Reddit? Well, most people don't realize you can make money on Reddit until now. So what is Reddit if you have never heard about it? Well, it's a simple platform. It's user-friendly website, and it's organized into various communities where people discuss topics related to like each specific community. So for example, you've got these like subreddits. You can see this r slash, for example, Instagram. And this is where people talk about Instagram and, everything related to it. But check out this one. For example, if you visit the community, which is called Make Money, you will find 92,000 members in it. And it's all about making money. And people ask for advice, they share their strategies, talk about different ways to earn, right? And we're going to use this to our advantage. So for instance, let's look at this person, as you can see, how to make $85 by the end of the week. So this person is asking, how can he or she get those $85? I have a perfect solution for that, and I'll show you how you can do this. You can help this person get what they want, and at the same time, you can earn money for yourself. So what we will do is that we will message this person through this thread, and they will help us get the conversion, which I will explain in detail later. So how are we going to make money? Just like I showed you on Reddit, when someone asks, how do I make like $10 tonight? Or, certain summer work, as you can see. So tips on how to make money while traveling long term. Or I need to make $800 before October. Well, all we will do is that we will provide the solution. Alternatively, we can post our own threads saying, hey, check out this cool method to make like X amount of money, right? That is precisely what we're going to do. And here is the app that will help us to do that. Some of you might have heard about this one before. It's called TapMob. It is over at tapmob.io. And they just, in a nutshell, have a lot of these offers. And you can do these offers yourself, but this takes time, right? And there's no way you can do this manually to get like this amount, like $3.6 thousand. This is not true. But what is true is that you go over to the App Store, you get this on your phone, or you can just use the Google version of it. And then you will just create yourself an account. It's free to use, you can get approved, and once you're set up, you can start making money with this method. Now, once you've created your TapMob account, you can sign in and then navigate to these offers. Now here, you will see a variety of offers available. These are job application offers. So, on the screen, you will see a lot of these job applications, and people can fill out an application and potentially secure a high-paying job for it. And the payout is just going to vary for each offer. And there's a lead generation button. Now, what is lead generation? Well, it is similar to affiliate marketing, but it's not. Essentially, you will just grab a link for one of these offers, and then people can sign up through that link of yours, and they can get that job. What will happen next? When they get paid, you get paid a commission for it. And this is good because you have a Reddit platform which has a lot of people on it. As a matter of fact, you can see 2.4 billion total visits. This is each month. So Reddit is more than popular. I don't know why people don't use it as a source of traffic just for these kind of offers. So what will happen, you will get this link, but you don't want to put the link as it is because it looks horrible, and you can even get banned on Reddit if you just promote certain links of yours. For example, you can't deal with Amazon affiliate links there. In fact, you can't put any links out there that will potentially like secure you money. But you can create a landing page for yourself. But it's not your usual landing page, and you don't have to pay for it. You can use just Linktree. And Linktree is a tool, and as you can see, in one simple link in bio. So this is going to be your landing page, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. Let me just log in into my account so I can just show you how this looks like. It's very simple to navigate, and you don't have to pay for it, and you can just add a lot of links. So on the right hand side here, you can see how it looks like on people's phones. For example, this is mine, and I use this in order to promote some Amazon things and some digital recipes and all of that. But let me just show you how to create yourself this one. I'll just log out of this one, sign up for free, and then just either use your Google or Apple account, or you can use your email. You just have to put your username. So for this one, I can just type in like moneyjobs123. Let's just take it like that. Enter a password, of course, and then just personalize your experience here. So let's just go with business, education, let's say education. And then you can see that they offer you certain plans. So you have this one free, and it's always going to be free forever. You don't have to pay this. You just get like certain style options. With this one, you get like click conversion and revenue tracking, but you don't need that. Honestly, you can just join for free, and then you just have to verify your email address. Now, when you go back, this is where you select the theme. So, for example, I like these plain ones, such as this one. I can use this. As you can see, this is the preview. Click on continue, and here is where you add your first link. As you can see, my Linktree is not live to publish. You just have to click that link, as I've told you before. And now you will get this. So your Linktree is live. This is the thing that you will paste in that Reddit thread, in each and every one of those. And this is where you will add the links for those jobs. So what do you want to do? Click on add link. Take that URL from TapMob. You will just place it here. In this case, I'll just put like google.com just to have something here, like a placeholder. Click on add, and here it is, how it looks like. Now, you can customize everything here. You can customize the containers, you can customize the colors, you can customize the fonts. Just click on it. You even have like thumbnails. You can set a thumbnail for it. There's a lot of these icons. For example, you can just choose Google in this case. I'll choose this one. Just add it, and as you can see, you've got a thumbnail here. So now, what you gotta do? Well, I gotta tell you honestly, you gotta scour. You gotta research. You have to see what people are searching for. For example, this person. How can I get hired on websites like Free Cash to make money? Some of you might probably hear about Free Cash, and then there's like a solution here as well, because you can make yourself a Free Cash account. You can go over to affiliates, and you can get the commission for bringing people on Free Cash as well. And yeah, Free Cash is good, but a lot of times people are just asking about certain platforms. So now, for starters, you've got two of these. So you've got TapMob, you've got Free Cash, and I'm sure like there's like a lot of these other CPA marketing offers or something like that, which you can use in order to make money with these people. You know, as you can see, it's full of these people. I need to make $60 this week, and this is totally doable with Free Cash or TapMob. You know, it's not like you're scamming someone or just giving them the false information. People can do it. They have to complete certain tasks, of course, but it's up to you to give them the solution, and of course, give yourself those commissions. So all you gotta do now, as you can see, how can I make money at 16? You just go inside and you read the story, and then you just go ahead and you put your comment into it. You can even direct message people here if they just accept your direct message. Actually, it's not hard, and this is exactly what we're gonna do. As you can see, you need to make $50 within the next 24 hours. Any ideas? Just search through Reddit, and you will find a lot of these people. Send them to your Linktree link. They will click on that TapMob or Free Cash, whatever you've made, and then essentially they will make money, and you will make money. It's not like this will get you $1 million, but it's a great side hustle if you just want to sit there, search through these stories on Reddit, and yeah, just help people and help yourself. So, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.